Hey guys, this is Blue Gaming from server 102 right now, season 4, and we got tactics card pack in a Blood Knight Descents event when I uh, killed zombies and I got some tactic cards, two tactic cards. So I'm opening it. As you can see, tactic cards are divided into three categories: core, combat, and resources. Combat and resource card will be recycled and converted into profession EXP at the end of the season. Tactics cards have various skill effects and attributes. Commanders can select the appropriate tactic cards to install and use. Give it a try. Okay, so you can see we got two tactic cards, uncommon tactic cards. There are like rare tactic cards, epic tactic cards, and legendary tactic cards pack. There is I button. You can see legendary tactic cards like rapid training, core card, pay stats in PvP battles. As the defender, hero HP increases, hero attack increases by 10%, and also hero defense increases. Cooldown 24 hours, and you can obtain this. Or warm mind, rapid rescue in PvP battles. As the attacker, hero defense increases, attack increases, HP increases, tactic skill daily maximum times 2. After using the skill, winning PvP battle on the world map restores 100% of lightly wounded units from that battle. Okay, so it's just like skills from Profession Hall. Extra tactic cards you gonna get after once you get the 100 level in Profession Hall. So there will be no more levels, but you can use the tactic cards as the buffs or skills. Like there are lots of skills like Warmond morale boost, rapid rescue, morale boost, comprehensive enhancement, morale boost, core chord, rapid gather, monster slayer, morale boost. Then there are epic tactic cards pack. You can see there are like battle card mixed formation at the beginning of the battle for each troop type in the squad attack. The squad heroes gain bonuses for attack, defense, and HP. So you can see there are lots of battle card, resource card in this epic cards pack. Then there is a rare tactic cards pack. So you can see rare battle cards, mixed formation, damage reversal, damage reduction reversal, attribute aura, etc. And then there is uncommon tactic cards, which are Purgator attribute aura. At the beginning of the PvE battle, the squad heroes gain bonus for attack, defense, and HP 1.5 50%. Gold digger resource card, boost coin output, boost iron output, boost food output. So I have like uncommon tactic card, so I can choose from battle card or a resource card. If I want bonus for attack, defense, and HP in PvE, player versus E, uh, 1.50% gonna boost. So I don't need right now. I can get the gold, so I'm gonna obtain this. Let's see. And okay, I don't yeah, okay, you can see we got battle and resource tactic card. And you can see iron output. Sorry, I chose wrong one maybe. Okay. Okay, so we get randomly, we can't choose. They will, you have to obtain, click on the obtain button, and you'll get randomly some tactic cards. You can see I got two tactic cards, like iron and some other quick epic. Okay, so you can see I got one bulwark treasure hunter resource card. receives one green card packs after winning a defense support battle. Upgrading increase the number of card packs. Boost the max daily resource plunder limit by 6%. So this is gonna help you. You can enhance it with the course like dismantle tactic cards. You need uh, tactical fragments to enhance this. Okay, so you can upgrade these skills also, and you can see you can unlock the slots for battle, and you can see the tactical cards for battle, and these are resource tactical card. So there are lots of uh, option here. Let's check out it. So here you can see the cards, battle cards, resource cards, all resource cards, all battle cards, and all core cards in one place. And you can collect it, collect tactical cards and unlock the card index to get rewards. The unlocking status of index and rewards are reset every season. Remember to claim them in time. So once you collect the resource or battle cards, you will get some boxes which has rare tactics card pack in it. So like on third, every third, you're gonna get two resource rare tactic cards, and you can see there are five boxes you can gain. And then let's check out this. Okay, this is obtain section, and then there is a core card bag which will show you how much cards or skills you have. You can see we got this equipped, and we can enhance from here also, or dismantle from here also if you don't want that cards. So, and here you can check your exp, and sorry, here you can check the fragments. Right now I have 450. You need 5k fragments, tactical fragments to enhance the resource cards or battle cards. Okay, so that's the tactic cards. I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more season 4 related videos. You can see tactic cards are now added in the profession hall too.